When I moved into my beautiful apartment in Denver, Colorado, I immediately started working on my travel wall. That way, every day I could remind myself of all the amazing places I've been. It was my favorite thing decor-wise in my apartment, and I probably have spent quite a few hours total just looking at it. All of these memories from all these gorgeous countries was really all I could think about. And as time passed in my apartment, and the more I stared at these pictures, the more I wondered why I wasn't out creating new memories right now. Well, Lindsay, apartments in Colorado aren't cheap. Keep working and you can enjoy a few vacations throughout the year. Oof, doesn't sound too good to me. I learned that routines don't make me feel comfortable. They just leave me bored and anxious. They're okay for a little bit, but when I moved from New York to Florida to Georgia to Colorado, I realized that it wasn't so much the place I was in, but that it was a singular place itself. So that just means it's time to take down the wall. When I was backpacking, every day was something different and exciting. Going to festivals with awesome strangers, taking classes about culture, it pushed my anxiety away. I knew I didn't have a choice. If I wanted to see everything that I wanted to see, I had to be brave. But the comforts of these four walls puts a little shadow on my shoulder. It tells me that it's okay to just stay inside. It's safe in here. And I found all too often I listen, but luckily I'm all too aware that comfort is the enemy of progress. I can never move forward if I don't go out and see all that this world has to offer me. So I can't say I have any idea where I'll end up, but I can promise one thing. I'm never going to use the word bored ever again.